Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix iPad or iPhone or iPod touch stuck on recovery mode where it shows screen with cable, or stuck in boot loop, or stuck on Apple logo where it shows Apple logo and does nothing, or even if your iPhone is not turning on. You can fix all of these issues with just one tool, ReiBoot. ReiBoot comes from Tenorshare with free as well as paid features. So with the free version, you can enter into the recovery mode and exit from there with just one click. You do not need to play with the multiple buttons to get into the recovery mode. But there is a lot you can do with the paid version. It's all-in-one tool for your iPhone or iPad that fixes 150 plus issues related to your devices. Not only that, it also fixes the iTunes errors. You can also downgrade iOS beta version without losing data. As my device is connected, you can see here, currently it's stuck in the recovery mode. I accidentally deleted some of the important files, which led my device into this condition. Now I will show you how you can repair your device if it's not working for whatever reasons. There is 70% discount as well on the Tenorshare ReiBoot for the summer sale. I will mention that later in this video how you can avail that. As my device is stuck in the recovery mode, I tried force restarting, but it still shows this. Now I will repair it with the ReiBoot tool. First, click on the start button. You will see these two options on the ReiBoot tool. One is the standard repair and other one is the deep repair. The main difference is, with the standard repair, it will keep your device's data, and with the deep repair, it will remove your device's data. Sometimes when the issue is really big, standard repair might not be able to fix that, so you have to go through the deep repair. But I recommend you definitely start with the standard repair first if your data is important to you. If your device's data isn't important to you, you can go with the deep repair. I am going through the deep repair as my device is currently empty, but it's still stuck in the recovery mode. I cannot boot it up. Select the method you want to go further with and click on the repair button. It will do some work and will show you this screen. Here it will download the latest firmware from Apple server and install it on your device. There are three ways to select the iOS firmware. One is just click on the download button. It will download the iOS firmware, then you can proceed from here. Or you can directly download the iOS file from the browser. For that, click here. In case you already have downloaded file in your computer, then you can go with this option. I already have downloaded file in my computer, so I will go with this way. Click here and select the file. But if you use ReiBoot for downloading the IPSW file, it will take some time depending on your internet connection. After you have selected the file or it's downloading through the ReiBoot, click on the repair button here. In my case, it's showing start deep repair. If you go with the standard repair, it will show you standard repair here. Now, once I click here, it will go through the repair process to fix my device issue. The repair process will take some time. As the repair process is going through, in the meantime, let me just show you what other things you can do with the ReiBoot. It's also offering 70% summer sale discount. You will find that link below in this video's description. This is their official website. As they have mentioned here, it fixes 150 plus iOS and iPad OS stuck issues and restore IPSW file. It can also downgrade iOS beta without iTunes and Finder without losing any data. As you can see, it can repair iTunes, backup and restore errors as well. What they have mentioned about 150 plus issues, those are mentioned here below. You can see that these are the device bug related issues. Then there are screen stuck related issues you can fix, iOS mode stuck. All these are mentioned here. If you have any of these issues, you can just fix that, or iPhone related errors, or most importantly, if you have got any issues related to iOS firmware update, all of them are fixable with this ReiBoot tool. As the process is going through, you can watch my device by the side as well. It will take some time, so I will just add cuts in the video to save your time. Hello guys, if you have made this far in this video and you are enjoying this video, hit the like button, also the subscribe button for more iOS related videos. As you can see, it's showing the progress bar on my device. As you can see guys, the deep repair completed. Now read the notes they have mentioned on the software. Please wait patiently for the device to reboot. You will see a progress bar showing the device is updating. Just wait a moment and your device will get back to the normal after update is completed. In case your device doesn't restart properly, you need to restart it manually. And then you might have to repair your device again. Now read that note, it is important guys. The program cannot remove the iCloud activation lock. To remove the activation lock, please use iCloud activation lock removal tool. It's another tool they are offering to remove the iCloud activation lock. But this is how you can fix all the iPhone stuck on Apple logo or recovery mode or any update related errors or device isn't even booting up. You can fix this with the ReiBoot tool. You can get the links below in the description, including the 70% summer sale discount link as well. Thank you for watching.